Alright, rolling back with you now. Going on low amp. Got a current ramp. This is the one right here that we had the issue with. Very good current ramp now. And a very good current ramp on that one. Back inside the vehicle. Notice this. No vibration under load. In gear. Smooth idle. Now we're gonna address the code associated with this with Infinity. Check engine light. You're gonna back out of here. You go into the you gotta have that to communicate with it. I'm not. Got a power? We'll go into Infinity. Automatic ID. Right, now, the code associated with that was a P1320 and a P303 misfire. And we definitively proved with scoping this wire here, this red one here, and this red one here, exactly which coil was not ramping up, using nothing more than a low amp probe and a Verus. Now we'll go back in. I'm going to clear codes. Continue. we're gonna do with any repair on an Infiniti, a clear self-learn. We'll go back in and start the vehicle. It is very important that you do, after any repair on an Infiniti or Nissan, the clear self-learn and the idle air volume learn. Now, that is a complete fix on replacing just one coil and verifying which coil is bad on an Infiniti Nissan 2000 model. Thanks, Ron.